welcome to my show. This is the first episode and this is a new idea I got. So I will make a show about riding an adventure bike and repairing the adventure bike, but I will also make some good advices about the camping gear you need to have or you could have. It's up to you. But in this first episode I will try to change my Trangia stove with a ethanol burner. I will try to take this out and put in a multi-fuel burner. The reason I will do this is that I would have bought a Trangia burner, but it's so expensive. So I thought, well, I must do this on a more cheap way. So I bought this a multi-stove burner, a multi-fuel burner from China, and I only gave $47, around 300 Danish crowns, and it was free international shipping, so it took around 14 days to get from China to Denmark. So I just got it today, and now I will show you how to do this, how I will do it. So here we go. The first thing I will use is I will use some this is steel you put around pallets when you put it on freight. It's steel band. You get it in big rolls. Cost nearly nothing, but it's good because it has some tension on it. And I put this into one of these, and with this you can bend it very easy. And if it's not enough, you can just hammer it and it will bend some more. It is quite easy to make these, just bend it quite slowly and you can make it like you want. To do this I made some of these, and this one I do just like this and then put it in half here and then bend it out. It's shaped like this. And I made two of these, and this is I will use this to put into my Trangia. Goes like this and like this. Then I have a very stable cross to fit my new stove. When I put this into the Trangia, I made a cross because there is where I want to drill a little hole. And on the other one, I put it in the other side. I also want to make a little hole here. Now I have taken this one of these and put it in here, and then I will take a small this and make a little mark. So I'm sure the drill will not squeeze when I make my drilling. To be sure that I make the right size on the hole, I will unpack this and I will look on my new stove. This one I have to have a drill like this size, and I think it's around 6 mil. But to be sure, I will take this off. And it is very easy to install this one. Then you can take out this, and you can see I have never been using this before because there's still the marks on. So this is the one I need. And to be sure that the drill is the right size, I will choose 5.5 is too small. I think it's 6 mil, and I think I must make this 6.5. So that was one. Okay, now I will take a glass, a small jam glass or something you can do. You can use whatever you want. And I will put this on the, of course, make a drill a hole in this also. So now I have all the parts I need. So this is it. Okay, so now I just need to ensemble this, and I will do this, of course. Now you can see the hole fits, and you also need this one, because to make this one work you have to start it, and when you start it up you have to have a little ball or something you can have down here where the gasoline or the fuel can be collected, and you can start it up. But this one is matching perfect like this. I can see I have a little problem here, but it's okay. It's quite okay. I think it's don't give it any problems. I shall see if it's changed, if I turn it a little bit. We do like this, and it fits perfectly. Okay, now I have this, and of course I have these. So I only need to take this one in here, in the stove, out of my stove, because it's good when you're burning some type of fuels. So I'll put this down here. Then we'll put this, and I made this little gap there to the line, fuel line, and then I will put this one into my stove. And last, I will put the screw back in here, and this will keep this ones together, and it will keep the small ball to the fuel line ball, or the small fuel ball into place. Okay guys, here you have it, the burner I made. It has this knife thing that I can still clip it out, like here, and then I can take this with me, and I can still use the Trangia ethanol burner. So let's see if it works. This multi-fuel burner I bought it can, of course, it can run multi-fuel, as the name says. But multi-fuel is, of course, gasoline, and it is it's also diesel or what you use. But it has one thing that's pretty smart. In the kit, there comes a bottle. Here you have the bottle, and it's a half a liter, and it should run on the normal gasoline you use on your motorbike. So when you put gasoline in this, you always have a spare, some spare gasoline with you if you don't use it all. So if you run out of gasoline, you can always take this and put into your tank. So this is smart. So now I will start it up in one moment. Just show what in the kit. It's a bottle and of course the pump and the line between the burner, the fuel burner, and the and of course this is just directly mount on this, no problem. And in the kit there's also a little tool, so you can put this on. So there you have the burner and mounted in the trangia, and actually I think this will work very good. Let's try it. Okay guys, here we are. We have I put the new my new multi-fuel burner in my trangia, and now I'll test it. I think I didn't told you before, it's of course you can use this also for gas. So you can buy a bottle of gas and put it on, but it's very smart because you can use it with the gasoline you run on your motorbike. So here you just put this in like this. So on. And then you put this one here like this. There you are. And then it's ready to run. Okay, it works like this. You prime it, and a lot of guys would prime it very hard. I wouldn't do that because the priming is only to get the fuel into here and down into the fabric in the bottom of the when the fuel comes out here, as it do now, you should stop it again, and then it should be ready to run. So here you go. Now it's running, and the fuel will be heated up. The line will be heated up there, and this is normal. What you say? 9.5 I use for my motorbike. It's the same 95 octane I use, and then you just prime it these 5 times, and it should be okay. And then you can open a little bit. Easy. So let it run for a little time, and then it will go. Because when the line gets heated up, it will burn, and so prime it these 5 times. That should be enough. Don't prime it too much. The liquid will go out over the sides, and it will be a mess. So just take it easy and do it like this. So now it seems to be ready. Let's put on some hot water, or some water to heat it up. Okay guys, I think nearly my coffee is ready, so I think I take a cup of coffee. Let's see in the bottom of the pot, there's no, yeah. See, it's not going to play black like it's normal to do. So this worked very good. Well guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the show and you could use it. I done what I could to give you an easy way to put a multi-fuel burner into your Trangia stove. So have a nice day and thanks for watching.